Okay, this is not a movie about Dr. Oz, but I have problems with audio on many of my DirecTV channels, and it all started abruptly last week. So this is June 8th, so I'm going to guess around the 3rd of the month, or could have been the 1st, but around the first week in June anyway. It started with a problem where certain high def channels do not carry an audio signal when my audio video receiver is on. Denon told me to figure out how to get the PCM sound out from my DirecTV DVR Genie, and that actually fixed the problem. I'll show you here in settings what I did to do that. Basically it just amounts to turning the Dolby Digital off in the audio settings. But you know, I mean, it just happened abruptly and hasn't changed since. Never had a problem before. And for instance, my audio video receiver is on right now. I'll turn it off.
Storage containers, or you can use glass, which then you don't have to worry about BPA in it.
I'm hooked up HDMI. It passes through the Denon just fine. But as soon as I turn on the AVR, give it a second to boot up. There's no sound, but there's picture. Okay, this is true for channel 3. Eight and 11, which are all local high def channels. So why is it that when I switch to channel 13, another local high def channel, I've got sound? Okay, so that's odd. So let's go channel 200. It's the same as channel 201. Doesn't appear to be high def at all. Working just fine. Okay, here's CNN high def. No sound. Channel 202. Now 203, I've got sound on. It's a SD quality channel. Headline News, channel 204, no sound. Now there are high def channels I do get sound on, but let me walk you through here what I've done in my settings and show you real quick. On this remote, I'm going to hit the menu, settings, come down to audio. Dolby Digital is on. I'll hit the select button. That'll drop menu down the off option. Select that, and boom, I got 2-channel stereo playing through my surround sound, which can do, I think, what, 9.1 or something like that. I'm hooked up 5.1, so I'm just getting 2-channel stereo through it, and it sounds really flat. Things I recorded on my DVR after this happened has no signal when Dolby Digital is in the on position. However, if I select off, I can listen to what I have recorded, and in case anyone out there is wondering, oh no, am I going to be able to see my stations I recorded when this happened? If you're having this problem, yes, just turn off your Dolby Digital and you'll be able to hear it, just not in the nice expansive surround sound. Hope it helps. It's just a band-aid for right now. Hopefully DirecTV will get some type of a patch or communication or something done that will work. I have my doubts. Good luck, guys.